Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will begin by confirming exact device and OS, because steps differ by platform. Once confirmed, back up your watch, sync health, settings, and custom faces to the cloud or phone. Make sure battery is above 50% and your phone remains paired and within range, because the uninstall may require handoff or app access. Next, open the companion app on your phone and locate installed watch apps or system features. This first pass prepares you to remove watch magic safely and without data loss. You now perform the core removal. Open the companion app and find Watch Magic under Installed Apps. Choose Uninstall and follow prompts. If Watch Magic is a system-level module, enable developer options on the watch or phone and use Disable or Uninstall updates first. This prevents bricking. Once uninstalled, clear cache and app data to remove residual files, then reboot both devices. If the app persists, repeat in safe mode or use ADB/debug mode for a deeper uninstall. Proceed to finish. Confirm Watch Magic is gone. Inspect the app list, face library, and watch performance. Once done, repair the phone and restore essential settings from your backup. Make sure notifications and health sync work. If you encounter problems, stability issues, missing features, or persistent files, try safe mode, run ADB logcat to capture errors, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. If nothing resolves the issue, contact manufacturer, support with logs, and device info for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.